Want to track smarter, train harder, and live healthier, all from your wrist? Welcome to Gadget to Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. Meet the Amazfit Balance 2, a next-generation smartwatch built for people who want smarter health insights, stronger performance, and a more balanced lifestyle. Smarter tracking, sharper performance, and AI-powered wellness tools, all packed into a sleek, modern design. Let's take a closer look at what makes the Balance 2 stand out. What's in the box? Let's see what you get in the box. Inside the box, you'll find the smartwatch with a standard and accessory strap, magnetic charging head, an instruction manual, technical specifications. The Amazfit Balance 2 is a rugged and stylish smartwatch built for everyday wear and outdoor adventures. It features a 1.5-inch AMOLED always-on display with sapphire glass and a lightweight 47.4mm case. Powered by a Zepp OS-optimized chipset with 32 GB storage, it tracks your heart rate, SpO2, sleep, stress, VO2 max, and training load with the BioTracker 6.0 sensor. With 10 ATM water resistance, 170+ sports modes, offline maps, golf, and scuba support, it keeps up with every activity. Stay connected with Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, NFC, and dual-band GPS, while a built-in mic and dual speakers handle calls and voice commands. The 658 mAh battery lasts up to 21 days, and it works seamlessly with Android and iOS via the Zepp app. Available in black, gray, and silver, the Balance 2 is your perfect companion for fitness and adventure. Product features: built with a premium aluminum alloy case, sapphire crystal glass, and a fiber-reinforced polymer back, the Amazfit Balance 2 combines ruggedness with style. Water-resistant up to 10 ATM, it's ready for swimming, diving, and everyday adventures. Monitor your well-being with the BioTracker 6.0 sensor and advanced health tracking for heart rate, SpO2, sleep, stress, VO2 max, HRV, and training load. The BioCharge Energy Score helps you optimize recovery and daily readiness. Stay active with 170+ sports modes, including running, cycling, swimming, yoga, golf, and scuba diving. Offline maps, turn-by-turn navigation, and Zepp Coach make every workout smarter and more efficient. Powered by a Zepp OS-optimized chipset, the 658 mAh battery lasts up to 21 days in typical use, with 33 hours in precise GPS mode and 67 hours in power-saving GPS mode. Fast, efficient, and ready to keep up with your lifestyle. Bluetooth 5.2, Wi-Fi, NFC, and dual-band GPS keep you connected, while a built-in mic and dual speakers handle calls and voice commands. Compatible with Android and iOS via the Zepp app for seamless syncing. Device layout and functions. Let's know your device layout. On the front, the upper button powers the watch, opens the app list, and lets you scroll pages. The lower button gives quick access to a chosen app. On the back, the charging contacts power the watch. The heart rate sensor tracks your pulse, and the electrical biosensors handle advanced health metrics like ECG. This design makes navigating the watch and monitoring your health simple and intuitive. Wearing the watch. Get the perfect fit for all-day comfort. To remove the strap, press the quick release pin and slide it out. Repeat on the other side. To attach a new strap, align it with the lug, press the pin, and lock it in place. Ensure both sides are secure and your watch is ready to wear. Place the watch comfortably on your wrist, ensuring the back sensors make full contact with your skin. Adjust the strap for a snug, but not tight fit. so it stays in place during daily activities and accurately tracks your health metrics. How to pair. Make sure your phone has the latest Zepp app installed, is connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data, and has Bluetooth turned on. Turn on your Amazfit Balance 2 by holding the top button until the screen lights up. Open the Zepp app on your phone and tap Add Device, then select Watch. Bring the watch close to your phone and scan the QR code shown on the watch screen, or choose Pair manually if needed. Confirm the pairing request on both the watch and the phone. Follow the on-screen instructions and allow all necessary permissions. Keep both devices near each other while data syncs and setup completes. Once syncing finishes, tap Done on the watch, and your Amazfit Balance 2 is ready to use. How to charge? Attach the magnetic charging head to the back of the watch. Connect the charger to a USB power source. Ensure the watch is properly aligned with the charger. Charging will start automatically. Leave it connected until the battery is full. Disconnect and your watch is ready to go. How to reset your watch. Method 1. Reset via watch settings. Open Settings on your watch. Scroll down and tap System. Select Factory Reset or Reset Watch. Confirm your choice when prompted. The watch will restart and return to factory settings. Method 2. Reset using hardware buttons. Turn off the watch. Press and hold the top and bottom buttons simultaneously for about 10 to 15 seconds. Release the buttons when the Amazfit logo appears. The watch will perform a hard reset and restart, restoring factory settings. Resetting will erase all data, including apps, settings, and personal information. Make sure your watch is backed up via the Zepp app before proceeding. Safety tips. Avoid extreme temperatures. Use only approved chargers. Keep it dry. Clean gently. Wear comfortably. Update regularly. Product comparison. Talking about the materials and build, the Amazfit Balance 2 features a rugged 47mm aluminum alloy frame with a fiber-reinforced polymer body, built for tough outdoor conditions. In comparison, the Amazfit Active 2 has a smaller, round case with a stainless steel bezel and polymer middle frame, offering a lighter and more everyday-friendly design. Display and sizes. Looking at the display, the Balance 2 comes with a larger 1.5-inch AMOLED screen with sapphire glass, delivering sharp visuals and durable protection. The Active 2, on the other hand, features a 1.32-inch AMOLED display, with the premium version also sporting sapphire glass, providing a crisp, compact, and stylish look. Battery and storage. For battery and storage, the Balance 2 packs a 658 mAh battery, giving up to 21 days of typical use. The Active 2 comes with a smaller 270 mAh battery, offering up to 10 days of regular use. Storage-wise, the Balance 2 has 32 GB internal memory, while the Active 2 also provides ample space for apps and music. Pros and cons. The Amazfit Balance 2 offers up to 21 days of battery life, a bright 1.5-inch AMOLED display, and a rugged 10 ATM water-resistant design. It includes 170-plus sports modes, dual-band GPS, and advanced health tracking for heart rate, SpO2, stress, and recovery. On the downside, it's a bit bulky, has limited NFC, and a smaller app ecosystem. You've been watching Gadgetalab, where tech meets innovation and imagination never stops. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. The future of gadgets is just getting started.